Looking for a smart, secure way to grow your money? Maybe you're saving for a down payment, a big trip, or you're finally getting serious about retirement. But where do you even begin with something like a certificate of deposit, or a CD, or its retirement-focused cousin, the IRA CD? It might sound complicated, but opening one at Patriot Bank is actually a straightforward process. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through exactly what you need to know and do to get started, whether you're opening a regular CD or an IRA CD. First things first, what's a CD? A certificate of deposit is a type of savings account with a fixed interest rate and a fixed term length. You deposit a certain amount of money, and you agree to leave it there for a set period, like 1, 3, or 5 years. In return, the bank gives you a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. Patriot Bank offers a variety of term lengths and competitive rates. Just know that if you withdraw your money before the term is up, you could face an early withdrawal penalty. Opening a standard CD at Patriot Bank is a simple process. You'll need to meet the minimum deposit requirement, which starts as low as $500 for a standard CD. From there, you just need to select a term that fits your financial goals. You can do this by visiting a branch, or even online or by phone. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, and that's it. Now, let's talk about the IRA CD. An IRA CD is a certificate of deposit that you hold inside of an individual retirement account, or IRA. This combines the security and fixed rate of a CD with the tax advantages of a retirement account. It's a great option if you're looking for a low-risk, predictable way to save for retirement. Patriot Bank offers both traditional and Roth IRA CDs. To open an IRA CD, the process is very similar to a standard CD, but with a few extra steps. You'll first need to establish your IRA account with Patriot Bank. This can be a traditional or a Roth IRA, depending on your personal financial situation. Once that's set up, you can fund the account and then purchase your CD within it, just as you would with a regular CD. Remember, IRA contributions have their own limits and rules, so it's a good idea to be aware of the current IRS guidelines. In either case, whether you're opening a standard CD or an IRA CD, Patriot Bank's team is there to guide you through the process. They can help you determine the best option for your savings goals and answer any questions you may have about terms, rates, or the tax implications of an IRA. So, to recap, for a standard CD, you need a minimum deposit and to choose your term. For an IRA CD, you'll open your retirement account first, then fund it and select your CD. Both are solid, low-risk ways to grow your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.